Gusto ko lang pong malaman kung ano po yung concern sa pagpunta niyo dito sa amin spa.
Pagod sa trabaho, gusto ko mag-relax.
Ano po ba na yung body information sa inyo? Pangalan, sir?
May good. Sibis.
Edad?
51.
Height?
5'6".
So, kung po muna ang inyong vital signs. Sir, ayon po sa inyong vital signs, okay naman po siya. Fit to massage na po kayo. Okay po, sir? Sir, pwede na po kayo lumapas sa ating massage dito. There are 5 basic strokes of massage. They are the entourage, massage, friction, appointment, and vibration. The first basic stroke of massage is entourage. Entourage came from the French word include which means to glide, also known as gliding. It is a gliding movement following the contour of the body using palm, knuckles, fingertips, and forearms. Rationale, it is used to introduce touch, applying lubricant as a preferred massage stroke. This variation is one-handed. It has 3 sub-variations called the raking, the ironing, and the circular. Raking, 2 fingertips or 5 fingertips together apart with pressure. Ironing, dip, using palm or arms or fist. Circular, palm gliding on the skin in circular motion. The second variation is two-handed, using both hands gliding on the skin simultaneously. It has 2 sub-variations called the heart shape and the circular. Heart shape, long little stroke done using both hands in heart shape motion. Circular, one hand over or the other in circular motion. The third variation is alternate hand. It has two sub-variations called the raking and the circular. Raking, just like one-handed, but using both hands alternately. The fourth variation is nervous stroke. Nervous stroke is a feather-like finger twisting. Second basic stroke of massage is petrissage. Petrissage came from the French word pétrir, which means to glide. It is a cycle-rhythmic lifting, squeezing, releasing of tissue. Rationale, the hands is in C formation while doing the stroke. Benefits, releases the stiffness of the muscles into the body. First variation is one-handed. It's a simple C-clamp squeeze. Second variation is two-handed. It has two sub-variations called the praying hands and the ocean wave. The praying hands are interlaced while palm moving upward. The third variation is alternate hand. Grasp and release alternately. The fourth variation is pulling. Palm down, separately moving forward. The fifth variation is skin rolling. Lifting skin in superficial fascia with no downward force involved. The third basic stroke of massage is friction. Friction came from the Latin word ficare, which means to rub, also known as rubbing. It is a compressing of tissue in several directions using sliding hand, open palm, fingers, knuckles, back and forth over the skin or deeper tissue layer. Rationale, it is used to areas that is lack of muscle bulk or often to areas that is little or no blood supply. First variation is superficial warming. Palm moves briskly in opposite direction. It has sub-variation called the sewing. Using the ulnar edge of the hand along the scapula or any bony area of the body. The second variation is rolling. Hold limb with open hands back and forth from distal to proximal. The third variation is ringing. Grasp firmly while twisting in opposite direction. The fourth variation is cross fiber. Finger movements moves perpendicular to muscle fibers, moderate to heavy pressure. The fifth variation is chunky, same direction as muscle tendon or ligamentous fibers. Thumbs and fingers move back and forth. The sixth variation is circular. Small circular movement that glides superficial tissue over underlying tissue. basic stroke of massage is tapotment. Tapotment came from the French word tapoteurs, which means to tap, also known as percussion. Is a repetitive staccato striking movement simultaneously and alternating. Using ulnar edge of the hand, fingertips, open palm, cock hand, and loosely closed fist. Rationale, it may be applied directly to the skin or drape while avoiding heavy stroke over the kidneys. Benefits, it helps to increase blood flow circulation. First variation is tapping. Using fingertips of the hand or both hands. First variation is tapping. Using fingertips or both hands. It has three sub-variations: the punctuation, the pulsing, and the raindrops. Punctuation, known as the hard tap. Pulsing, deep light tap. Raindrops, very light fingertips tap on the skin at different times. The second variation is pinch tap. The skin is lifted graspfully and quickly at the point of striking. A sub-variation called the blocking. Skin is lifted slowly and fully at the point of striking. The third variation is hacking. Chop using the ulnar edge of the hand of one hand or both hands with finger relaxed. It has sub-variation called walking. Strike with the three fingertips, producing sounds walking. And along the muscle, its benefit is relaxation. When done across the muscle, the benefit is microcontraction. Fourth variation is cupping. Cup hands, loosen the phlegm in the chest, may induce cupping. The fifth variation is pounding. Loose fist beating, a sub-variation called dropping. When applied, palm down. The sixth variation is striking on the skin simultaneously. The seventh variation is diffuse. Ma'am, technically, ang diffuse ay ginagawa sa tiyan ng pasyente. Since for demo purposes, maaari po ba itong gawin sa aking tiyan? The seventh variation is diffuse. Lay palmar surface on the skin while striking at the back of the hand to diffuse force move across the surface. The fifth basic stroke of massage is vibration. Vibration came from the Latin word vibrio, which means to shake. Another term is shaking. It is a rapid shaking trembling, or wrapping movements, hence applied with fingertips or full hand. Rationale, performing vibration needs coordination and practice. The first variation is fine. Fingertips trembling on the skin, fingers and wrist gliding along. second variation is just clean. Rhythmic and vigorous shaking back and forth. The third variation is coarse. Grasp at the most proximal point and slide down distally. The fourth variation is rocking. Push and touch.
Luminaw Pacific Pulse Massage.
Sir, tapos na po ang pagmamasahe. Maaari na po kayo magpahinga sa internet. At babalik po po lang po kayo ngayon. Sir, tapos na po ang pagpapahinga. Maaari na po kayo magpahinga. At i-assist ko na lang po kayo, sir. Sa iyo. Hindi muna kayo, sir. Kumusta po yung pakiramdam niyo?
I'm good.
Okay, sir. I-rate ko po muna yung nararamdaman kayo. Bago ma-massage, tsaka pagkatapos ng massage, ano po? From 0 to 5, less comfortable po o comfortable?
0. Less comfortable.
Pagkatapos po ninyong ma-massage, sir, from 0 to 5, less comfortable po o comfortable?
5.
Okay. Sir, isasuggest ko po sana na magkaroon pa po tayo ng another session po, sir. 2 beses sa isang buwan. Suggest ko rin po na uminom po kayo ng maraming tubig at saka mag-exercise at saka kumain po ng mas sustansya ng kahit para po healthy po yung kanyang katawan.
Okay.
So, sir, mayroon pa po ba kayong ibang po, sir? Maliban po sa inyong nararamdaman?
No.
Okay po, sir. Sir, kung wala na po kayong ibang po, sir, maaari ko na po ba kayong ihatid sa labas?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you very much po for coming to our spa.
Okay. No problem.
Ma'am, nakaalis na po ang aking client. Maaari ko na po bang ligpitin ang aking mga gamit?
Bakit?
Ma'am, naligpit ko na po ang aking mga gamit. Maaari na po ba akong lumabas?
Bakit?
Ma'am, maraming salamat po sa opportunity na binigay niyo sa akin. God bless, ma'am. That's the end of my 5 basic stroke massage presentation. My client is Mr. Raymond delos Reyes, and my assessor is Miss Cyril Reyes. And I am Miss Edith delos Reyes from Outside School Academy. Thank you very much for watching.